Hi, I am Bruno Bernardi, Associate Professor in Management in the University of Venice, Ca' Foscari. Here I am responsible of part of your course in Cultural Heritage and Globalization. Who should benefit in joining our class? I think they should be students interested in a melting between humanities and management. The focus is on the mutual influence between these two bodies of knowledge and these two bodies of experience. We do not aim forcing arts and culture within a financial framework. Cultural processes, innovation and creativity have a lot to transfer into business environment. And business environment has a lot to offer in communication skills, strategy formulation, fundraising and control techniques. A fusion is needed in order to give culture a better set of opportunities to reach people and communities. Attendance shall meet a variety of testimonials from academic and professional environments as far, storytelling practitioners, museum curators, screenplay writers, entrepreneurs of tourism, and manager of cultural institutions. Also, the final project resembles real-life situation too.